How's everybody doing? Well, today I'm going to be working on changing the door latch that doesn't open with the remote control. So I bought this part right here, the door latch lock. So we're going to be swapping it around, putting in the new one. So we're going to have a couple of screws that we're going to be taking out. So it's this three right here. Those are those little stars. So I have the actual, see right here. So just try not to strip it because it's going to be hard to take it out. So just take your time doing it. Also, we're going to be taking out this 10mm screw out because I'm gonna need to pull out the thing for the window. It's a metal part that makes the window roll up and down, but I have to move it to the side so I'll be able to take out this little motor. So let's start getting this thing going. Okay, let's take these out. Okay, I'm gonna be getting that. All right, let's spread this thing out here. Unscrewing this part right here. That 10mm right here. Get it closer. See this right here? We're gonna be taking this thing out. Okay, this one, I'm gonna put it right over here. Okay, so this is loose here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go here step by step here. Okay. I'm gonna take this thing here out of here. Take out this out of here. Take this out of here. Yeah. Just take it back and that's it. Has little latches here. That goes, it moves back. So you go here, pull it forward, it goes right here. See it is? So, okay. So now we're gonna do something. Okay, so this is the metal window guide right here, and so I have to put this to the side to be able to get this window latch lock out. So let's see how I get this part out. It'll be hard. It's hard to do it with one hand. Alright guys, so now, see this part right here? This plastic right here moves out. This comes in two parts. So we're going to take this to the side here. I'm going to move it. Okay. See how it is? So we're going to take out this screw right here. You see this screw right here? We're going to take that out, and this piece right here is going to come out, the part that we're going to change. Okay, so let's get the, let me see. All right, so we're gonna, okay, so I took the screw out. Just make sure you don't lose it. And all you do is gonna put this back. The old part comes out. Okay, we're gonna get that little screw. Make sure we don't lose it. I'm gonna put it right over here to the side here. And then now, I have to get the new one. Okay. And then, here we go. Okay. This is the old one. And this is the new one. There we go. So we're going to put the new one on now. Same step. Okay. So we're going to put everything here. Okay. Same step right here. Right. Make sure that this goes inside here. Okay. Right. Try to make sure everything goes well here. Okay. You see how it is? Make sure this thing goes in here. If not, it will not work. Okay. And you see the little thing with the screws goes right here. I'm going to put the screw back again to the new one. Okay. Let's get the screwdriver. Good here. Make sure the thing is. I'm gonna put that screw on there. Okay, it's tight. Okay, everything's good there. Okay. Now we're gonna put everything back to normal again. Okay. I'm going to put this okay. Put this thing back into its place where it belongs. see. There we go. Okay. So that goes there. And then, yeah.
¿Qué está pasando?
Putting this in here.
Ay, ¿te ayudo con algo aquí? Oh, está
Alright guys, so now what we're going to do, we are going to put, okay. So we're going to put this back, this plastic back, okay. Okay, that goes there. Okay, now we're gonna put this back, and then we're gonna put the little metal that goes into here. That makes the thing go up and down. But first, we're gonna test the equipment, make sure that this thing is working good. So I'm gonna put this back in here. We're gonna test it. Alright guys, so I'm going to use my remote and we're going to test this thing here. You're going to see this thing move. You see it? It's working. Okay, so at least we know it's working. Alright guys, so I had this part put inside there. So we're going to work ourselves inside here and put a little metal rod that goes into the little motor so it could go up and down to lock it. This is gonna be the fun part. It takes time and patience to do it, but it's not hard. I just got to play around with this metal here. Is the window guide, so I have to put this to the side so I could work with it. All right. Put this in here. It's gonna be all right. I see here. Okay, I think I did something here wrong. All right, guys. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this screws back to its place. Here, 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to set this thing up back in here. Okay, that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we're going to get this drill. We're going to change the pointy thing here. And put that right one. And just put this thing on. Back connector. There we go. So let's try this thing again here. Let's see if it works. Yep. Okay, what's this? that part is working. Now we're gonna put the little rod back again in here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put it back to the window guide metal back to its place. So make sure it's tight. Okay. All right, so that's done. So now we're gonna put this part back. Okay. So this goes, notice, goes in here, and goes back in here. And goes there. And you notice it's the thing right here, the screw where it goes. Okay, we're gonna put that back again. Right here. Okay. This is the 10 millimeter. Okay. So we're going to put this thing back again. Cable right here. This one right here. And then that's it. Now we're going to test. Make sure everything is locking good. Okay. Alright, so let's try the door. Let's lock it. Okay. It's locked. Now we're going to open. And it opens up. So we got the door done. And that's how we get this door latch lock fixed. Okay. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys, and thank you for watching, and also subscribe and like. Thank you guys. God bless.